Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. Now, before you can actually sell the car, you'll need to get a safety and emissions inspection. You can do so at any authorized inspection sites. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. Missouri requires you to fill one out and report the sale within 30 days. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have the bill of sale filled out, and exchange payment. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. Because the plates aren't transferable, you'll need to make sure you remove them before the new owner takes possession of the vehicle. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.